Welcome to How to Do Bong Hyung Sam Dan for Tang Soo Do. I'm Chris Rockhold at Rockhold Karate. Today I'm going to do a mechanical walkthrough of Bong Hyung Sam Dan. It is the third Bong Hyung form in a series of 5. Bong Hyung Sam Dan has 54 movements, and it follows the exact same pattern as the Gicho Yang series. You can find those here. Just hit that little info button and check them out. But not yet. First, I'm going to go get set up and do the how-to. I'll be right back. Bong Hyung Sam Dan. Fold the staff underneath. Chariot, come to attention. Kine bow. Unwind the staff to Chumbi Jase. Ready position. Looking left, I'm going to sweep low on the left side with the staff and step into Sakurab Jase side stance and low strike. Unwind the staff to my chest and then push my foot into front stance, Chunggo Jase, and high block. From here, I'm going to pull to the left side. My left hand comes down, right coming across into a high strike. Then the following technique will be up Chinaki thrust kick. From there, I'm going to land in Chunggo Jase front stance again. As soon as I land, I'll strike left across and back right across. Now I'm going to turn 180 degrees, repeat the whole sequence again. So sweeping low, stepping into side stance, unwind the staff to your chest, high strike, strike across, left, and then up Chinaki, thrust kick, and then land, right strike, left strike. Look down the middle, sweep low again, into Chunggo Jase front stance, low strike, and stepping forward, same thing, low strike, folding into side stance, Sakurab Jase, and then back to front stance, high strike. From here, I'm going to unwind over my head and strike across as I step through 180. And then from here, I'm going to unwind beside me, pull across, and then push back to the front. Next, we'll stab down and Yaporo Chagi side kick. And then land, low strike in Chunggo Jase front stance. From here, I'm going to do the big turn, come all the way around into, you guessed it, side stance. Unwind, high block, high strike, thrust kick, left and right strikes. Repeating again, come around side, chest, high block, come across, thrust kick, and strike, strike. Now heading down the middle back from where we came, I'm going to low sweep and low strike in front stance. Next move, again low, fold to side, and back to front, high strike. Unwind over my head and strike high. Unwind this way, come across, and then push back to the front, stab down, side kick, and low strike. From here, I'm going to do another 270 degree turn back to the same sequence we started with. Strike in, low strike in side stance, unwind, high strike after the high block, thrust kick, and strike left, strike right. One last time, same thing. Sweep through, side stance, bring it to your chest, high block, immediately high strike, thrust kick, land, right, left. From here, unwind, and back to Chumbi. Fold it underneath, Chariot, Kine bow, and back to Chumbi Jase. And that is Bong Hyung Sam Dan for Tang Soo Do. Until the next video, keep sharpening your mind, your body, and your character. Take it easy. Here's hoping I can get this recorded without too many mistakes. Oh my god, that's funny. Okay. Seriously. I will hit you in the face. You know, I can't get 5 minutes of peace and quiet around here to record things. Welcome to How to Do Bong Hyung Sam Dan for Tang Soo Do. I'm Chris Rockhold at Rockhold Karate, and I'm gonna start that one more time. Take 5,000. Let's go. And I forgot what else I was gonna say. Too many irritating distractions today. All right.